Sony has finally broken their silence regarding the entire handheld mania that has been going on during the past couple of years, and here is their answer. Project Q. It's Sony's brand new 8-inch handheld that's specifically built for PlayStation 5 remote play. That's right, a cloud-based handheld? Seriously, Sony? When companies like Asus are pumping out full-fledged handhelds, they have come up with a portable console that needs an entire console as an accessory to be able to work. Nonetheless, we're here to talk about whether it can compete with the likes of Steam Deck and ROG Ally.
Looking for an animation studio that can turn your story or idea into animated visuals? Look no further than 10 Studio. Our team of experts creates animated explainer videos that simplify complex ideas and bring your message to life. Our experience can help you tell your story in a way that engages your target audience and makes them remember it. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stand out from your competition. Visit our website to know more at www.10.studio.
The console itself looks like a batarang with an 8-inch HD screen at the center and DualSense wireless controller attached on both sides. According to Sony's press release, the screen uses an LCD panel that can run games at up to 1080p resolution and 60Hz of refresh rate. It functions over Wi-Fi to stream games directly from the PlayStation 5. Basically put, this is a companion handheld for your PS5 that cannot natively play games like the Steam Deck or a phone. Hell, it can't even stream games from the cloud independently without the PS5. While enthusiasts wanted something like a PS Vita 2 or a successor to the PSP, Sony seems to be sticking to their vision of making cloud gaming a thing. But isn't that already a thing? To remote play PlayStation 5 games, you don't need to wait for the Project Q. Just get an iPhone or Android and you can stream and play your PS5 games directly to these devices via the PS Remote Play app. There's even a Linux-based app named Chayaki that you can load into your Steam Deck and stream PS5 games on it. With that being said, Sony is missing out on a huge opportunity by not releasing a dedicated handheld. Even if the performance is of PlayStation 4 level, people will highly adopt the console. We have already seen this work with the Steam Deck, so what's stopping you, Sony? But what you really need to be excited about is the specialized PlayStation 5 earbuds that were unveiled alongside the Project Q handheld. And boy, do they look cool. According to Sony, these will bring next generation audio immersion whether you get them for PS5 or PC. Whatever the case may be, you can expect low latency audio output while gaming. The handheld along with the earbuds are expected to arrive later this year, and you can expect more information regarding them along the way. We'll be back again with more updates on it as soon as something solid comes up. So that was all about the upcoming Sony Project Q handheld. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.